So why should you study in Japan? In this video, we are going to talk about 10 reasons why you should consider Japan as your destination for higher education. I am Deepti Singh, your admissions counselor for Japanese universities. So starting with number one reason, that is its academic excellence. So Japan, you know this country for its cutting edge technology, you know they are world leaders in robotics. But of course, all of this happens because it is a country which offers world class education. All its institutes are known for their research, particularly in engineering, physics, chemistry, and business courses. So Japan is one country which excels in innovation in every field. So that definitely tells us that Japan has world-class systems for its education. Number two is its safety and quality of life. So Japan is a society which is known for its low crime rate, friendly society. You know how Japan is popular for being honest, reliable. Discipline is something that we all hear about when we speak about Japan. The cultural value system of Japan is so strong that any student who goes there, you live in an environment which has a decorum where punctuality, discipline is valued and quality is valued. So definitely your ecosystem when you are studying there as a student is very strong, and it gives you a very good ecosystem for your own personal development. And when you're talking about safety, you must understand Japan has no cases of violence. Very rare ever you would hear about violence in Japan, cheating or any other security issue. So that is number two, the safety and the quality of life. Number three reason is definitely availability of scholarships and financial support. Japan is one country that has number of scholarships available. There are some fully funded scholarships like MEXT, Global 30. There are other scholarships which are available from the university, and these scholarships can also be fully funded scholarships or partially funded scholarships. These scholarships are definitely a great financial support for international students, and these are generously awarded specifically to international students. There are other scholarships also which are, by the way, available after enrollment. We have recently done one such video where we cover private scholarships. I will tag it here for your understanding. So likewise, I think for students who are looking for financial support, there is definitely the fee structure is as it is very competitive. The fee structure is very low, and on top of that, Japan has multiple scholarships to offer to international students. Fourth reason to choose Japan would be its supportive academic environment. You know, students usually ask us what kind of environment is there in Japan, primarily because it is not a very explored destination for higher education. But let me tell you, you will be surprised to know the kind of support system that universities offer there to international students. For example, there is a buddy program. So Japan there will be a buddy assigned to you when you arrive in your university. Some universities have a program जिसमें आपके साथ एक buddy attach कर देते हैं, and this buddy is like your friend, your guide. They will help you to navigate your everyday life for at least first few months. In fact, they will help you in your academics and Japanese also. Career office. Do you know all universities mostly will have a career office, and this career office is responsible for getting you internships and placement opportunities. So they will be reviewing your CVs, preparing you for your interviews, and basically helping you find placements once you graduate from Japan. So this is, I think, an immense support for international students. And just in case you were wondering that you will be alone in your journey to find a job in Japan, no, let me assure you that most universities have an excellent system of career guidance. Similarly, there is a student office. Now, the student office is basically to help you with your everyday problems. It could be your part-time or dorm or anything that you face in your daily life. So there is a student office where you can go and discuss your problems and expect solutions from there. In general, Japan is very cooperative and helpful and kind. So I think this alone is a very good reason for you to consider Japan if you are to consider Japan. The next reason is the world of opportunities that Japan gives you. So Japan, do you know the employment rate for fresh graduates in Japan from Japanese universities? It's actually 98%, which is highest that I have ever heard. So basically, if you graduate from a Japanese university, your chances of employment are close to 100%. And this employment is usually in very known companies. There are some students who have gone through Education Japan support and now they have found placement in companies like Amazon, Microsoft, Deloitte, TCS Japan, and many more. So basically, these are the kind of jobs that you can expect, and I don't think these kind of opportunities are available anywhere else in the world right now. There are bilingual jobs. Let's say you're not going for a university degree and you're going on the basis of your Japanese capabilities. Even then, bilingual jobs are enough in that country, and only your expertise in your Japanese language can get you a very good employment opportunity. There are, of course, jobs for other specializations such as management or marketing or engineering, of course, especially engineering. Engineering is what Japan is made of, and their economy, the whole economy is based on engineering, and which is why I always say that there is a huge opportunity for engineers. If you're looking to pursue engineering or to work in engineering sector, Japan is the place you should be considering. So these were all my top reasons why as a student you must consider Japan. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.